No, Leah, that's just getting like a grip of how to do it.
Let's put it on the table. Put it on the table.
Oh God.
Dad, put it on the table.
No, Leah, that's just trying to like work it first. God. No, Leah, don't.
Oh, my
Leah, don't. That's trying to get it on the table for you. Oh God. Okay, bye.